Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Daria and I turn clothing into the piece of art. So if you want to join me in my journey, subscribe to my channel. In this video I will paint roses on the shirt, but it won't be a boring floral design, but it will be very meaningful and creative design. Here is a sneak peek of it. So watch this video till the end. Let's begin! Thanks for watching! Don't forget to hit the like button. Also, check out my Etsy shop for more unique handmade clothing. I put the link down below. If you have any questions, write to me. See you, bye bye!